So in order to see the PIS form, you have to go to class 3. See, you will be able to see class 3 and class 3C. So kindly go to class 3, click on class 3, you will see general, right? Go to general. Okay, you can go to more and you can go to assignments. This is one way of doing it, right? And you will be able to see the assigned here personal information sheet. When you open it, it will open it in form, and it will open in form, and you will be able to, then you can fill it, right? So this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it, I'll just tell you. You can see the here on the screen down, it shows activity, team, calendar, assignment. Let me just point it out for you. So there is an assignment section here as well. You can do this also. So you can click on the assignments, right? Now since I have so many classes assigned, you will only see one. You will see PIS information sheet, right? So this is another option. You can go here and the form will open for you. You have to fill your form. The enrollment number is the admission number of the child, which is a 4-digit admission number. All the fields are compulsory. Kindly fill all the fields and then you can click on the submit button. And as you are also a new student, a new parent, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to see the child's work. So what you can do is you can again go back to team, and here again in general you can go to more and you can see the tabs here, right? This is the classwork and homework schedule. Okay, it will open in Word. If it asks you for a username and password, you have to enter your username and password of Teams. Sometimes it will ask you, the first time it may ask you. Preferably you should click on this Word document here, okay, or you can download it on Teams. So everything is here, all the work is here, right? Mathematics, EVS, everything is here. All the notes are here, the class notes are here for all the subjects. Hindi 1, Hindi 2, English 1, English 2. For all the subjects, the notes are here. Also, this is a view of the mobile, alright? So just see this, and please note that PIS personal information sheet is very important. It is to be filled. Please fill it, and if you face any difficulty, then send me a WhatsApp on my number with the problem that you are facing. Thank you.